Hey guys, it's Joey from E4L. So today I'm doing my legs workout. How I actually do my legs is I split it. I go into my complex, huge compound exercises one day, and then I actually work on my isolated muscles on the other day. Right now I'm on my fourth set, glute bridges. I incorporate this so I can get my glutes and my hamstrings really fired up, get some strength through my posterior chain. Fourth set, it's going to be a little bit wacky, but here we go. Okay. It's really handy if you've got one of these spongy little squat pads. Really helps. So I'm going to place myself down in here, have my back lined up. Okay, here we go. Down, up, squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Definitely worth it. Try and incorporate through that in your week, and you'll see some huge gains. See you next time, guys.